Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to count the number of elements present in a set. In the last few videos we have studied about the operations performed on the sets like disjoint set, intersection of two sets and union of two sets. These operations we have seen previous videos. In this video we are going to learn about the number of elements present in a set. So let's consider this theoretical part and example also. Now see, let A be a finite set. Let us consider one set is a finite, means the elements present in that finite set are countable. So whatever the number of elements present in that set A, we can simply denote it by n of A. We are writing this small n alphabet, and bracket we are writing the name of a set of which we are going to count the number of elements. So this is read as n of A. With the help of example, this concept will be pretty clear to you people. So first example we are going to see now. Set A is having some elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 6 elements present in this set A. So n of A is equal to 6. Simply we can write the answer. Second example, we are given set B and it is having elements 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 5 elements are present in this set B. So n of B is equal to 5. Now from these two examples of set A and set B, we are having one more question. We have to write n of A union B and n of A intersection B from this particular information. So basically n of A union B means nothing but the combination of elements of set A and set B. Simply we have to just write their number here. N of A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. We can see that some elements are common in set A as well as in set B. Like 5, 6 is present in set A also and in set B also. But still we are going to write these two elements only one time. So total now in case of n of A union B, we are having 9 elements. So n of A union B is equal to 9. That is number of elements present in this book. Now we are going to write n of A intersection B. Now A intersection B we have seen while studying the operations on the set theory. Intersection means only the common elements which are present in both the sets. In case of this, in set A and in set B, we can clearly see that these two elements 5 and 6, these are present in both the sets. So this is nothing but the A and B, and we can see that as only two elements are present in this particular intersection. So the answer of n of A intersection B is simply 2, because only two elements are present in this particular intersection. So this is the way by which we can represent number of elements present in set. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you.